Laws that protect whistleblowers. Each year, there are thousands of workers who witness some sort of wrongdoing on the job. They discover fraud, abuse, or any type of actions which could jeopardize the well-being, safety, or lives of other people. Workers may witness a food processing plant, which sends out contaminated food to consumers, violation of safety considerations at a nuclear factory, fraud that deceives a company's stockholders, or a chemical company which dumps hazardous waste illegally into waterways. Too many times, employees stay silent, usually out of fear of losing their jobs. Others step forward and share the truth, risking their professions as well as their own well-being to do so. These workers blow the whistle on various types of unethical conduct that occurs in the workplace in an attempt to make a difference. A whistleblower is one who discloses information that they believe to be evidence of some sort of wrongdoing on behalf of a company, or they reveal instances which may be jeopardizing the health and safety of the public. The whistleblower is afforded certain rights and protections by laws that are designed specifically for the purpose of protecting them. The Whistleblower Protection Act. The Whistleblower Protection Act provides protection for federal employees who disclose any illegal or improper actions by government agencies. The Act is applicable to federal executive branch employees. The Whistleblower Protection Act was first enacted in 1989. Its intent was to provide federal employees with proper protection. False Claims Act. This was one of the first employment laws that were enacted to protect whistleblowers. This law, first formed in 1863 and then revised in 1986, was designed to encourage whistleblowers during the Civil War. The act promised whistleblowers a percentage of any money or damages that was recovered by the government in cases where fraudulent suppliers were stealing from the government. Whistleblowers received a portion of what was recovered and were protected from wrongful dismissal in these instances. Sarbanes-Oxley Act. Sarbanes-Oxley expands on the False Claims Act. It requires certain procedures to be enacted when an employee wants to report questionable practices and remain anonymous, and requires that if there is an investigation following a complaint, that there cannot be any threats of dismissal, suspension, or harassment against the individual who reported any evidence of fraud. It makes it a criminal offense for an employer to retaliate against any informant. OSHA Whistleblower Protection. When workers report safety violations, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration has several acts which help protect whistleblowers. This includes the Surface Transportation Assistance Act, which protects truck drivers, and the Pipeline Safety Improvement Act of 2002.